Hey everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So it is officially braided hair season. And for the girlies that love to wear braids, this video is definitely for you. So a lot of us, we want to try rocking out the braids. Okay, we want to go to the shop, we want to get braids. But for the ones that want the look of braids, but you don't feel like sitting in anybody's chair, or you don't feel like you have enough hair, like maybe you just big chopped and you're like looking for something to do with your hair, you don't have enough hair to actually braid, getting a braided wig can be a godsend, okay? Even if you have like balding patches or areas, edges, what have you, sometimes you just want a good braided wig. So this video is all about some of the braided wigs that I have been seeing all over TikTok. And when braided wigs first came out, they were absolutely horrible. I mean, they just looked like something that was sitting on top of your head. But Amazon, Jalisa, like there are so many companies that are coming out, Love Me, that have these amazing braided wig hairstyles, and they will have you fooled. So if you are looking for a quick little like switch up way to do your hair, or any of the things that I said before, you got some balding areas, you don't feel like sitting around getting your hair braided, here are some braided hair installs. Now, if you're going to try this trend out, I do feel like baby hairs play a big role. I have seen some units that look good without the baby hairs with the braids, but to be honest, I feel like the baby hairs, when it comes to the braided hair wigs, really do a good job of like just concealing the area and giving you a more realistic look. And if you are not a wig girly that like knows for sure what she is doing, like you are a wig install professional, go get somebody else to do the braided wigs, okay? Don't play yourself. Like she just said here, wig looks beautiful. And like I said, this is a quick, fun way where you can rock out braids without having to sit there for hours and hours and hours. Now, this is something I've never seen before. She had like some type of contraction where she just Velcroed the wig on and then put a scarf on top. Oh, this is good for like every day I gotta run errands kind of situation. Or you can even do a hat instead of a scarf. That's cute. So then we have a braided wig with the wooden beads. Now she doesn't have baby hairs, but that looks so natural. And then here we have someone rocking out some color. The color mix is really interesting. Black with white and like a golden color, blonde. I will say though, if you are doing these braided wigs, it does take a lot of work to make it look realistic. That's why I said go to a professional if you don't know what you're doing, because it's a lot. It's you're gonna have to work with it. Okay, so she got the same thing here. I gotta investigate what this is. Oh, is she doing it with a hat? Okay, I might have to try this. Especially when you on vacation and you can just throw your hat on and just, oh, that is cute. I'm liking the vibe of that. I've never seen that before. Okay, so here we have someone. Now she is also getting her braids installed. She got her green juice. She ready to sit there and just get her hair done. Okay, while also being healthy. She looked like that. That juice tastes nasty. She did. She looked like she had the look of the juice was tasting nasty. Okay. I don't know what she did. She dancing here. All right, so here she is finally working on the wig. So it looks like she is doing this from scratch. So obviously she is a stylist. Also, if you don't like the look of these braided wigs, try crochet, okay? They got some beautiful crochet braided looks. I might do a video on that next because yeah, there are some beautiful crochet hairstyles that you can try. And that's another like fast way to get the braided look without sitting there for hours. I don't know about y'all, but I just don't like sitting in that chair for hours. I'm not a sitter. I don't like to just sit for hours. Like, this is cute though, the way she did this. And look again, it's got the baby hairs going there in the front. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I'm talking like all over the place, but you know, if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.